Okay, Self Soldiers, here's the drop on the first toxic behaviors. Trigger warning because it's the abuser. I chose this one first because they're the most dangerous. Let's pause a minute before we go further. If you're not ready for this conversation, please scroll to the next creator or video. Come back when you're ready. We'll be here for your support. Here comes a video stitch. I'll be right back. The toxic traits of the abuser are they're controlling, manipulative, gaslighting charmers that will utilize your forgiveness, loyalty, and trust by abusing you mentally and or physically, placing you here 6 feet under the dirt. So check this out. I've ended the generational trauma and abandon and abuse in my children by working on my pain and healing it. That way they don't make bad decisions. If you're new here, welcome to Hood Goulash. It's a community of self soldiers. Hit the subscribe button and the like button. That way the algorithm knows that you're interested in topics like this. My name is Sabrina Michelle. I'm a holistic life coach that focuses on showing the pathway of healing through childhood trauma and setting boundaries, how to pay attention to your self awareness, how to love yourself. I cooked all this from my own experience. If I hadn't created this blueprint, there's no doubt my pathway would have been to prison or the grave. That's my final destination. My attraction for men with dangerous tendencies, like my father, was a part of my parental wound, but I've healed it. It wasn't easy. It kept me blinded in love and loyalty, which opened the door for narcissistic abuse. It's how a malignant narcissistic relative was able to hoodwink me. I'm a survivor of premeditated, long term psychological and environmental harm from this connection. They literally spent 28 years grooming resentment, triangulation, and quiet sabotage, which makes a textbook malignant narcissist. You may ask, how do you spot them? Well, here's how. They pick a target early. They build a narrative around you. They'll position themselves close enough to strike. They'll keep the abuse subdued so others won't believe you. They'll weaponize your empathy against you. They'll escalate when you get stronger. This is predatory psychology with cultural tools layered on top. I mean, I'm just being honest. That's how my cousin laid down her evil plot. What I have learned from this, exactly how to spot and dismantle a malignant narcissist by learning the patterns of the people and the predatory behavior. For them, jealousy never dies. When they attempt to be kind, it feels off. They will isolate you from support. They will create an unhealthy living environment and situations for you. They will play victim when confronted. They'll blame you for their own failures. They'll do passive sabotage of your own thoughts and actions. Some people who come from toxic environments choose healing. Some people choose harm. Compassion doesn't protect you from damage, nor dangerous people. Boundaries do. Narcissistic people hate boundaries. They believe they control everything. Remember, a malignant narcissist doesn't need your permission. They only need access.